Hey guys, it's a girl Kasha. Skin girl, just skin just like pearls. Hey guys, welcome back to this amazing channel. It's a girl. For the new subscribers, karibuni sana to an amazing content. Of this video, you're going to tell that we are going to do an AliExpress unboxing of what I bought there. This is my first time buying on AliExpress, so let me unbox with you guys and let me give you my honest review. So guys, this package I received in the morning today. So yeah, so it took only 5 days on delivery. That is check. It took only 5 days to get to me. And yeah, so let's see what's in the package. It was delivered via DHL. So this is how the package came. This is how the package came in. This is how the package came in. And I ordered loose wave human hair. So okay, nice. Let's see whether I was conned or it was legit. So guys, apparently I ordered 18, and the closure is 16. Guys, this is the closure, which is 16 inches. It comes in this polythene paper. I don't know whether you guys can see. It's 16 inches. So let's open it and see what is inside. Wow. So yeah, so this is 16. Really, it looks so short though. This is 16 inches. And then yeah, I ordered the 3 parts. You can either have it on this side or this side or this side. Yeah, it looks so nice. And it has baby hair. It has baby hairs, and when it can run through your fingers. It's so nice. The texture also is nice, but it's so short for a 16. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's because it's loose wave or what. So let me know in the description box what you think about this. Yeah, so yeah, so this is the first one, is the closure, and the second one, and then what I ordered was this 18 inches. Wow. Well. So this is 18 inches. 18 inches. Wow. I cannot wait to rock it. I cannot wait to rock it. So yeah, this is 18. And this is 18. Yeah, so it's 3 bundles. And yeah, so this is 18 inches as I've shown you. Yeah, so let's unbox the others. What's this? Doesn't want to come out. Doesn't want to come out. It's bothering you, baby. Oh my god. This one does not want to come out. Anyway, so what's happening? What's bothering you, baby? What's bothering? Hola, opa, hola. Yeah, so 18, and the other one is this. So let's see. To me, they look short for 18 inches. What's that? The struggle. Now struggle. Now struggle. I'm struggling right now. Okay. What the? It looks like a Somali hair, if you know what I mean. If you know, you know. Looks like a Somali hair. Guy, wow, I'm excited. Yeah, so this is 1818 loose hair bundles. Yeah, and the closure 16. Yeah, so like this. I ordered it, where I ordered it, it will be on my description box. This is not a sponsored video. Yeah, so I'm just loving it. I'm so happy. And let me know, guys, what you think about the hair. Expectation and reality is the same. So yeah. Forget the delivery is only $21, which is $2,100. And yeah, so that's it for today's video. If you like this kind of content, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this, and let me know what you think. If you ever ordered anything from Aliexpress, and what you think about their hair there. Yeah, so everything on my side is check. Though the closure and the bundles, they seem kind of short for 18 inches. Maybe it's because it's not a straight hair. But I'm trying to tell a friend to subscribe to this channel. It's your channel. It's our channel. Yeah. Until next time, guys, I'm gonna see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.